This is the Lutron toggle switch dimmer. We're going to be installing this on our light for our house. I am not an electrician. You should always contact an electrician when doing this, so please do not follow what I am doing. Here's outside the box. Looks like just a standard light switch, a little bit bigger. We have our on and off. We have our dimmer setting, and it looks like we have a fine adjustment screw here as well. So let's get this on the wall. If you are doing this and you're not an electrician, I don't recommend you doing this, but you would pull these screws out to remove this switch plate. Once you have that off and you verified that the power's off, red is usually to the light, followed by the bottom having 2 wires and or 1 looped. So you have power in, and then it jumpers power off to the next one. And then you also have a bare wire, which is your ground. Alright, so once you got these all put on, you can go ahead and put her back. Alright, let's see if this works. Here's our dimmer here, so if we move this down. And then we also have this adjustment screw right here. This is actually for your lowest brightness when this is at the bottom. So if we demonstrate by turning this up, so all this does is, if I don't want this to be super low, I turn this up. That way this is my range. So if this is all the way, I can turn this maybe 3/4 and it not be so dim, or I can turn this down even more and make it even darker. So that's all this is doing right here. All right, we got our dirty switch cover back on here, and all we have to do is adjust this over just a little bit, and there we go. If you know, you know. Make sure you contact a qualified electrician. Don't just attempt to do this on your own. 2, this switch may not be up to code for your home, office, garage, wherever you may think you want to use this. So always check on that. Again, that's where a qualified electrician will come in for your area. 3, you should make sure that you have dimmable bulbs ahead of time. Not all bulbs are dimmable. Ours switch is rated for 150 watts LED or up to 600 watts of incandescent. My bulbs are dimmable. I bought them that way ahead of time so that I had them. All right, so thanks again for watching one of these videos, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.